Good morning, students. So today we will do chapter number 6, B by multiple. I'll be your factor. Okay. So let's start. This is number 3 questions because in the previous video I have already done 1 and 2. So this is question number 3. Find the common factors. Find the common factors of number A 24 and 36 and number B 50 and 60. So you have to find out the common factors. In the previous video I have already told you how to find out the prime factorization of a number. Okay, now here you have to find out the common factors. So using factor tree method. So the first one is 24. So 24 we can write down 2 into 12. Then 12 2 into 6 and then 6 2 into 3. Okay, now how to write down the factors of 24? Now here all the numbers write down including 1 because we know 1 is a factor of every number. So again I am telling you have to write down all these numbers including 1. So what are the factors? 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 12 and 24. So here we have written 1, 2, 3, 6, 12 and 24. Now what you have to do, now these are the prime numbers. I have given one tick mark. Okay, so these prime numbers you have to multiply in all possible orders. Now how to do that? First we are multiplying 2 at a time. 2 2s are 4. Now just check, 4 is here? No. So you have to write down 4. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 is here, we have already written. So no need to write. Now multiply 3 numbers at a time. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is here? No. So you have to write down 8. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is here, we have already written. And if you multiply all these 4 numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is already there. So you have to multiply these prime numbers in all possible orders. So what are the factors of 24 coming? 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, 24, 4 and 8. Now let's move to 36. 36 you have 2 into 18, then 18 you have 2 into 9 and 9 you have 3 into 3. So what are the factors of 36? You have to write down all these numbers including 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 9, 18 and 36. Here 1, this is the factors of 36. So 1, 2, 3, 9, 18 and 36. Now you have to multiply these numbers in all possible orders. First you are multiplying these 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 is not here. We have written 4. 3 2s are 6. 6 is not here. We have written 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 already we have written. Now let's multiply 3 at a time. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 is not here. We have written 12. And 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 we have already written. And if you multiply all these 4 numbers, you will get 36. 36 we have already written. So what are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 9, 18, 36, 4, 12 and 6. Now, what are the common factors? Just you see, I have circled it. 1, 2, 3, we have 6 here. Then we have 12 and we have 4. So these are the common factors. So common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Just the common factors you have to just circle it. Okay. The next question is 50 and 60. So first let's move to 50. 5 into 10 and 10 you can write 2 into 5. Then you have to write down all the factors of 50. So factors of 50 will be 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. You have written 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. Now these prime numbers you have to multiply. Let's multiply 2 at a time. 5 2s are 10. 10 we have already written. 5 5s are 25. 25 is not here. So we have written 25. So these are the factors. And if you multiply all these 3, you will get 50. So factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 50 and 25. Now 60. 2 into 30, then 35 into 6, and then 6, 2 into 3. So what are the factors we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 30 and 60. We have written 1, 2, these are the factors of 60. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 30 and 60. Now let's multiply 2 at a time. 5 to the 10. 10 is not here. We have written 10. 2 to the 4. 4 is not here. We have written 4. 3 to the 6. 6 is already here. Now multiply 3 at a time. 5 to the 10. 10 to the 20. 20 is not here. We have written 20. 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. 12 is not here. We have written 12. And also, if you multiply 2 number at a time, 5 3 is a 15. Yes, 15 is not there. We have written here 15. So what are all the factors? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 30, 60, 10, 4, 15, 20 and 12. These are the factors of 60. Okay. Now what are the common factors? We have 1, 2, we have 5, we have 10. These are the common factors. So common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So in this way, first you have to find out all the factors, then you have to circle the common factors. Okay. So the next question is, find out, next question is this one, number 4. Find the first 3 common multiple of number A 6 and 8 and number B 12 and 18. So what is the meaning of multiple? Now multiple is nothing but the tables. Okay, for example, if I say you write down the multiples of 3. So what you will do? We will just write down the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, like that way. Okay. Then the question is, you have to write down the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. So let's start. So first, what we'll do? We'll write down the multiple of 6 first. So 6 ones are 6, then 6 twos are 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Here I have written up to 6 into 15, 90. And then it will go on. So we have to give dot 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 sign. Okay. So up to 15 we have written multiples of 6. Now multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. We have written here 8 tens are 80, 8 11s are 88. Up to 11 we have written, then dot dot dot. It will go on. Now what are the common multiples? So first 3. So let's check here. We have 24, first common. Then second common is 48 and the third common is 72. So the common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. Now there is no end of the common multiples. If you go on writing, you will find many common multiples because there is no end. But according to the question, you have to find out the first 3 common multiples. Okay. So what is the technique? At first you have to write down the multiples at least up to 10 or 15, and then you have to search for the common 3 multiples. Okay. The next question is 12 and 18. You have to write down the common multiples of first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. So let's see. So this one. So first, what is the technique? First you will write down the multiples of 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 36, up to, I have written up to 10. 12 into 10, 120, then dot dot. And the multiples of 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, up to 18 tens are 180, up to written, then dot dot. Now what are the common multiples you can see? First 3 common multiples are 36. You have to just circle it, okay? Then second one is 72, and the third one is 108. So the common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Okay, so this is the technique of finding common multiples. So instead of 3 common multiples in exam, it can also come write down the first 2 common multiples, or write down the first 4 common multiples. Okay, so this is the procedure. I hope the solutions are clear to all of you. So today up to this much. Thank you.